Sanbonan, hello my beautiful people. I am Obasebandal. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Speaking for Stan Disky podcast. As always, we are bringing you gosified flavored guys. You are Yazmos. Yeah, right. And the food as always, I'm not alone. Samuelin Chaka made work. Who's going to introduce himself and some of our members. My brother. Over to you.
Bafethu, as you know, mina ngumecha the unknown ongangazi usazongazi. And usibona la sikho ithu kanje. Cams also here behind the cams. George is also here. But mina guys personal I'm not happy because umuntu engimena la imene yo imene lo muntu lo. So ngizonixoxela nge-weekend yakhe. Lo muntu ifan le Pirates but weekend maka support the Kaizer Chiefs. Ayikho happy. But yeah amene maningi guys. Amene maningi guys. But otherwise na tournament la isenza happy. So ngizonitshela about the tournament guys. Namhlanje kudlala ifinal lana ne. Just ayikho happy nangale weather angazi ukuthi izophela kanjani. But hopefully ke it's not nice ne. But hopefully ke izophela i-tournament bese sibone ukuthi kwenzakalani. Awezi.
Stay tuned.
Bathabo ubona nakakifu kakifu ubona mankola phela serenda phela ubona nakabesha phana elungelo lethu phela serenda phela
But thina masiyoganga uyasala ay sikebenge sisoft umampara ay phela nyakubona uyasaba ay otherwise asifuna matata guys niyabona ama-talent amaningi uScott Maphuma angang-approve Matala. I hope you are watching but otherwise bafethu as you can see ngime nomjita lana uzointroduce asho ukuthi ubani Matala. Can you please introduce yourself utshela abantu ukuthi wena ubani wakabani uphumaphi?
Yeah, mina igama ngoThabiso sibonga umzizi vele bangazi ngumzizi abanye bathi Showmax yaseDolovini Ngiplomax Station 2 dog.
Okay Jam, cause mina to be honest I was expecting you ukuthi kule tournament uzodlala but since ama game adlala ngizake ngakubona so ngicela ungitshela ukuthi yini into ekubeka la namhlanje ukuthi ukwazi ukuba na play part ye tournament.
Toka ukumama fedu yazi ukusupport yabo just ukuvela support coming back to le ukuthi angidlalanga ayishtok abe ngangakhawathela dog yabo so maye ngisazama injury idongidlala but then abo ama tournament akanje ama tournament ukuthi maye abhig wonke umuntu ubhekile so yabo mangizoforce ukuthi ngidlale ngingakabe right ngizosivakela ipressure ngeke yabo so kumele ngithi ukupick up ngidlalela ama top 8 afihlekile top 4 then mase ngiright that's when obvious ngadlala.
So as ucava ukuthi namhlanje kudlalwa ifinal lana kuba wena uyiplayer na uperforma namhlanje ku final like you know kuma finals kuba khona ipressure and abantu ba criticize wena as the player like ipressure you handle kanjani and prepare kanjani for ama game akanje?
Yeah, going back to iqale gym indayini le yabo and nana abantu odlala nabo I support structure yakho which is mawuzobheda yibo kumele bakusupport labo odlala nabo kuqala ngithola so if you uthola support from wemajiteni you can do your best even though uzodlala i-game of mistake le you learn from your mistake akusukuthi mawudlisa ibhola wazi ibhola yabo so coming back to ukuthi mawuyifinal kumele udlala ibhola lakho if i-game ayikuvuma sharp but then amajita la odlala nawo yiwo kumele akucourage angisho akwazi strength sakho ukuthi good kanjani ubheda va ama-fans awazi so iqala ebajiteni i-teamwork ivala wonke ihlazelo wonke umuntu iyalivala
as player umuntu okubukele lana ongakwazi angakaza kubona udlala like unga describe kanjani style of play sakho ngamtshela ukuthi udlala kanjani or enze example iplay edlala njengawo ku pro side ayish pro side mfana akhona ne makamanye azifihla ngeke kwazi yabo okay I can say uTito but then uTito obviously professional level angeke ayenze as much as siyenza like us mina umuntu ngidribbling wizard ngiyadribbula entertain yazi samuva pass kanjalo so ibi team oyisupporta ku professional and ubani favorite player yakho ku pro side
ipakapaka noTumbule dog even though mina ngithanda ikasi flavor ne but ayidisc dog Mbule hayi master chef hayi favorite Pirates njalo.
Okay ngizotesta i-football knowledge yakho ne so ngizokubuza i-question so let's say uyiplayer uyadlala egroundini une yellow card then the next thing uyakora uyazi mawukora yellow card wakhulula ijezi red card right okay let's say uyakora only to find out igoal lakho abal approve ku VAR like obviously access i-goal. So i-red card yaqhubeka yastanda or bayicancel.
Bayicancela ngisho igoli aba. Bayicancela. Igoli abalibalanga. Kumele bayicancela. Kumele bayicancela. Ukucabangani.
Okay.
Cabangani. Bese
mina ngazi that's why ngibuza wena. Ngifuna umuntu obukele
kumele bayicancela ngisho.
Why kumele bayicancel because i-game sese on?
Ay difficult tricky ne. Ngami off guard. Angazi.
Okay, uyazi eground uma ulwa ne-opposite opponent. Is it uthole yellow card or red card? Right. Okay, let's say ulwa ne-teammate yakho iyabambana go eground. So i-decision ka-ref kumele ibe njani? Anishanga ama-red card no-2 or kanjani ulwa ne-teammate?
Melani kaya yellow card no-2. But then uyazi fighting kahle strictly melani kaya ama-red card. Even though nidlala ni-2 ngama-teammate.
Ma-shot athini futhi kabani?
Ngithi mela ngoba sekasi mela ibalansisa ithi yellow card nyana yabo yellow card angamoshi game phela mayisha kanjalo 2 men down mfethu.
So wena ngizokucompare nama-player because I know ukuthi uyadribble nekasi. Uba no-better nge-skills kuwe no-Blackburn ngoba athi mayishukile idonsile sifake ipensela.
Ayileyo ntani izophendula abantu ababukayo ngoba nami ngiyasha dribble ngendlela ekufanayo sidlala ibhola elifanayo yabo. So I can't say. Angifuni ukukhuluma I can't say.
Okay, uma youngster wase-South Africa the upcoming ones adlala ku-professional kumfukeng umfundo Vilakazi uCampbell start 1 bench 1 and sell.
Ngaqalisa umfukeng ngipenje okay ngaqalisa umfukeng ngipenje uCampbell ngipayisa uVilakazi.
So mamjita udlala ibhola especially abajita abadlala ku-professional ulihandlela kanjani ibhola namantombazana?
Ayidog ayihlangani ke le handling ayihlangani that's why kumele uwazi surrounding yakho ntwana ibhola lihlangani namantombazana notshwala
wena ushaya abantwana
hayi
awuphuzi
ngiphuzi
ikhamera usho wena awuphuzi
angiphuzi mina ndoda
otherwise if khona i-team emfunayo professional madala ngicela ugaye intwana encane edlala i-disc ekasi esafuna ukuya kuthi ugaye any advice ukuthi ikhule grand.
Back to kumele kala respect goes all way respect mayizoqala endlini nangaphansi khona ukurespect and as dedicated to whatever yenzayo when it comes to i-gym participate angekwazi dog inhlanhla le it's a game of football you never know who's watching so into abangayenza ukuthi dog bahlale ba consistent bajime lalela guidance from coach and whoever uzobamguide ayilalele. That's what I can say.
Okay, cela utshela umuntu obukela ukuthi la namhlanje le final edlalayo kudlala yipi i-team na yipi i-team and ngokubona kwakho yipi i-team ezowina i-final?
For mina i-game manje open even though baqeda ukuscore I don't know yini Mseng United yini Polar Park Stars. Okay, Polar Park Stars then but then manje it ends Polar Park izoyicofa.
Score prediction
2-1 if not 2-1 penalty shootout.
Manje uyakwazi ucula igwijo?
Hayi mina angikwazi ukucula.
Themba ucula amapiano?
Ngiyajiva.
Awushayi dance? Shayi dance
ngiyadlala ngikona ukujiva.
Okay Nix, otherwise njami ngiyabonga for isikhathi sakho
na uya great. Ngiyabonga Thama Gents ne. One love nyazi.
One love. Mbukeli ngiyadlala guys asikhe indabeni la yabo thina sekasi bhola mami tournament ekasi yangithola. So guys as you can see ngiphethe umjita la umathima I mean baba can you please introduce yourself utshela abantu ukuthi wena ubani wakuphi uphumaphi?
Igama lami nguTumelo ngihlala eSluma engithanda ibhola kakhulu nginama Hotman ababhayi abadlala ibhola like Kalawa ubhuti wami no baningi omunye uyadlala la phakathi yabona manje abo Hotman abangikhuthazile ngisasentwana ukuthi ibhola ngibathande liwe ngibathanda ngakhona yabona and futhi ngadi this tournament iyenze thina ukuthi siphume elokishini singabhema ama drugs yabona kude we bancede ngakhona ukuthi qhubeka ngedisc ukukhuthaza amajita yabona since kukanje ke but angibonga kakhulu like kubo abasikhuthazile kuyonke into esiyenzayo elokishini nabo mzinzi siyabalandela we have a lot of people to follow Atami ke anginazi ezinye izinto nengasikhuluma just the way ngithi for youth ngicela ukuthi bayeke nento lebayenza ababhema ama drugs ababhema yonke into ofuneka ibe wrong bangafuneka ukuthi ba follow ama drugs nisicela yonke nento le stop for amajidi nabo girl la ngaphandle bayeke ukuyenza into ezi wrong abo girl bahambe baye ema tavern ukuthi bangahambi baloko balala no everyone on the street babaleke ukuthi bangatholi izifo eziningi njengengculaza njengezinye izifo manje yiyo ngithi ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi basikhuthaze kuwonke umuntu nani siyabonga ukuthi nibe khona la nizosi-interviewa ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi nathi sibe khona sinibone kuyonke nento le yenu mara always ngicela niqhubekeni la nigcine khona ningagcinini la nangiyefoni ngiyeza i-ground nizoloko ni-interview abantu until everything to be fine ukuthi nikwazi ukukhula.
Okay, take on to amalona wakho as umuntu okhuthazayo. So sicela usitshele as umuntu uthanda ibhola ungama-advisor uthini umuntu odlala ibhola angazafike entweni ezifana nama-drugs achubeke adlala ibhola azafike kude?
Khotman for lokho ngathi kubo abobhuti abadala esibalandelayo sicela bangayeki baqhubeke ngetalent labo labakhona and ezinye izinto ngabi ukuthi basalela emuva sicela baqhubeke nathi sikwazi ukuqhubeka la sizobalandelela khona and kakhulu nabo bangaloku bahlala phansi babona ezinye izinto yabona futhi yazi khona abafana basikhuthazayo elokishini sicela ukuthi sibe nabo laba hamba khona negazi labo sibe nabo like sibapresse kakhulu to everything abayenza. Ngiyabonga Khotman.
So ngicela ungitshele yini into ongathanda ukuyichange ngamakasi tournaments obona ukuthi okay into eso ekasi kuma tournament iba unfair like when we change like ibe into right?
Ngatshintsha into eziningi ukuthi like the whole supporters aba support ama team sicela bangashaya bo Mr Rev into yokuqala bangalwi nabo Mr Rev bangalwi na next nesicela like yonke i-tournament mayiqhubeka sicela yonke into iyenzeke kubo nalabantu abayenza ama tournament siyabakhuthaza ukuthi thina elokishini bayasikhipha ukuthi singabi separate basibuyise sonke ukuthi yonke nento lesiyenza nesicela ukuthi babuye kithi bayibuyise emphakathini and since bayiletha emphakathini siyeka into eziningi emalokishini size ema groundini ukuthi sizokwazi ukukhuthala kakhulu nathi since siba supporta kanje ukuthi yonke i-tournament la samba khona ukuthi kuyenzeke and futhi bangagcini la wonke ama tournament awa separate ukuthi kubonakala amanye ama channel ngaphandle ukuthi yonke i-tournament abayenzayo sicela ukuthi bakhuthale and siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi basikhipha kude noma singaya eDavidton because nase Davidton nginokuya ngibukela ama tournament mara ngithi ngibonga kubo bonke abantu abakhona i-sponsor nani nesicela ukuthi bakhuthale kithi kakhulu kulama team angenile kuwonke umuntu okhiphayo nalabo abathengisayo sibonga kakhulu ukuthi basilethela something yokudla of nalabo mama abathengisayo sibonga kakhulu because siyakwazi ukubanika something ukuthi bayobapha abantwana babo ukuthi badle endlini sibonga kakhulu.
My brother ubonakala njengomuntu okhuthazayo and ubonakala njengomuntu ohlakaniphe kakhulu so ngizocela ukwazi ukuthi ungakhetha malini kuyafika million ne-500,000?
To me, it doesn't right at because I can change everything.
Yeah, a million, right?
Yeah, a million.
500,000.
Yeah, because ngachincha yonke i-youth. Ngahamba ngiyosponsor ekolweni for ama pets nani. Thugula abantwana abancane ekolweni. Ukuthi ngibe like sikwazi ukusupporta wonke ekolweni ukuthi sithenga ama pets, sithenge yonke into ukuthi siyohambe so donate. Ukuthi yonke into ezabi yenzeka sicela ukuthi abantwana bonke besikole ukuthi bakwazi ukuthola manje for lokho ngakwazi mina manginayo nemali leyo I can buy ama pets ngikwazi ukunika abantu everyone noma nesinayo every girl nala nazothola nama pets lawo ukuthi akwazi ukuthi endlini khona laba abasokolayo endlini ukuthi basokola ngama pets of ngani kubo nesohamba sisponsor manje siyabonga kakhulu kuyonke into nale mali leyo ngiyezodonate for bona bonke.
Okay my brother ngiyabonga for isikhathi sakho ube nelanga elihle and I wish you all the best kuyo yonke into oyenzayo empilweni ne sharp
Sharp Atem ngiyabonga
much
sure.
Mbukeli ekhaya I have one of the best fans la kule tournament so uzon brief more about tournament ukuthi kwenzakalani and all that Rodman can you please utshela ama viewers wethu ukuthi ubani wakabani uphumaphi
ya ugama ngusweet boy wakakhoza ngiphume eshawele Soweto.
Okay Rodman can you please usitshela ukuthi usifila kanjani today as individual and ufila kanjani ngale game ledlalayo namhlanje?
No, the game is still on but I'm not happy with the organizers of the tournament because it's dark. Angeke uqalise tournament nge4 o'clock nge 4:30 tournament yophela what time? That's my concern because I'm going to score and equalize but ama penalty washaya kanjani kuzoba kudark.
Okay, let's say kuba uwe umuntu o take on la kule tournament as organizer i-situation esomozo handlisha kanjani?
No, the tournament is right, anything is right, but ngikhala ngesikhathi because it's going to be dark. I'm going to score but angazi ukuthi ama penalty washaya kanjani and la kusebhucwini akukho stadium but the tournament is nice. If becela ngo3 it will be something or manje sephelile bayendesha ama award ukuthi ubani athathile but you see namanje ukuthi it's dark but ngizothi in sport of football.
Okay Rodman, because ukhuluma as umuntu one confident, ukhuluma nje umuntu one themba ukuthi team yakho isangabuya ikhave iscore. Let's say mo coach igame iso like mo ngayenza kanjani team ama player mo ngawatshelana ukuthi akwazi ukubuya kwi game so that bakwazi win igame.
Yeah, 100,000 a lot of money according to my side as I'm a coach we're not defending. If baya score manje kwamanje kumele siye kubo. If bona baya punish as part of football we can take the second prize but I'm not looking for the second prize. The tournament kumele sithathe.
Okay, masikhuluma ngamakasi tournaments overall yini ama advantages wakhona and yini ama disadvantage?
Yeah, ama advantages ma ungadlali elokuza ungadlali ekhaya kunezinto like usigainayo ukuthi okay ama organizer ukuthi bayorganize kanjani tournament ama referee wa charge kanjani angeke siloku sihlale sidlale kasi because siphume kasi but mina up to so far I'm not crying with anything.
Okay, talking about abo referee, most people bano complain about abo referee ukuthi bathatha ichoncho and all that. So is situation abo referee so far inphethe kanjani nina kule tournament le team oyisupportayo?
No, angeke lesi card from ebhucwini but mina into ibalekile ngifuna ukuthi utshela ama organizer if bangene ngeteam i-team bangayifaki ku final ngenkani i-team ayizunela yona self because la kudlala ubhola mara up to so far ama mistake wakhona but into zincane akusinto zingamosha igame or zingamosha ukuthi abanye kulwana ama referee but ama mistake wahlala wakhona but ama organizer kumele babatshela ama referee ukuthi okay bafethu because ama organizer ningene ngeteam ningasiphushi ukuthi udlala siya ku final wonke ama team aflete ngemali.
Okay, so ama tournament aso ekasi yini le ayenzayo emphakathini ekwazi ukusiza especially kuma upcoming youngsters. So anything ongayisho nje about ama uphi compliment kumakasi tournaments?
No, amakasi tournament wa right because kunabantu bahlele estradeni babheminya uphi nawo ama soccer player abanye balahla lithemba. You don't know ukuthi mawusebhucwini kunababani la kuneyikauta kunabanye abadlali mebadlala ku professional mabakubonile you can share the number. You never know about tomorrow.
So i-advise ongayiphi intwana encane ukuthi iphushe grand ebholweni ikhule iplay li right izifike professional ungayitshela ukuthini?
Mina ngazi ukuthi ngizothina time isikhathi masingakafika sikakafiki nalabo abantu babona badlala ku professional baqala khona ebhucwini kumele ubekezele udlala wonke ama tournament esebhucwini you never know about tomorrow.
Okay, so siyabuya kule game.
Obviously siyobuya mara inkinga yami ama penalty washaya kanjani. That's my concern because ukora ngizokora dako blue ukora ngizokora mara it will be dark and ama goalkeepers okutshela ukuthi abasabo yabona nawo masubhekile ukuthi it's dark le game kumele seyiphelile ba award ama lokuza ama trophies but ukora ngizokora.
Okay my brother ngiyabonga isikhathi sakho ube nelanga elihle. I hopefully team yakho izobuya iwin tournament but mina ngifavor any team ewinayo but as for wena ke good luck.
Ngiyabonga.
What's the teacher the best. Kuchu.
more and more people who contribute positively in such tournaments. So there's an organization that's just going to dig deep into what they do and introduce themselves. Please tell the people who you are and what do you do.
Right. Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Laxin Pinga and I'm an IT facilitator for Batupile Social Development Youth Organization. Yes, basically Batupile is an organization that was found on 2005 by Mr. Lubabalo Mafuya, basically with an initiative with the Department of Social Development to actually alleviate poverty and employment and unemployment actually. Yes, basically what we do at Batupile, we are an NPO, is a non-profit organization that specializes in skills development programs, mostly in specialized skills development, whereby the youth are welcome to actually come and register and enroll for our courses. We basically have life skills training, computer training, which is a computer literacy, and IT essentials, driving school, forklift, and security training, and many more, depending on which programs we are funded for within that financial year. Yes, we also have a CNTC program, which is a community nutritional development center, whereby everyone is welcome to come and have a nutritious meal Monday to Friday between 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock. Yes.
So please tell us the vision behind this whole organization. What is the motive of building this whole organization?
The organization was initiated for basically to alleviate poverty, like I said before, and unemployment, because Greenfields was a location that was identified as a location whereby people are underdeveloped, and the social development found our proposal very unique and on point for our programs, whereby they can even support. So hence we are here as Batupile to grow the community, yes, and change lives.
So what are some of the things, basically you can tell us who is qualified or who is not restricted to come and join or be part of the organization?
Basically, under our skills development programs, I would say everyone is welcome, but we strictly focus on South African citizens. If you have an ID, South African, and you have a grade 10 qualification or above, you are more than welcome to participate or partake in our programs. Yes, and our programs are all free because they are funded by the Department of Social Development. Yes.
So, of course, you chose such locations where they hosting football tournaments. How would you relate this tournament in its whole and your organization?
We've identified that most of the youth within the community, they tend to be connected and be all together in such tournaments. Hence, we are here to actually expose ourselves so that everyone can come even closer, because most of the people, they don't normally come to our organization. Hence, we are here so that they can actually participate and get to know what we do actually in our organization straight right to us while we are here. Yeah, and give them information.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, let me go to the lady now. Yeah, let me go to the lady. My sister, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
I'm good, thank you. So please introduce yourself to Ubani Ogabani and your position here in this NGO. Is it an NGO? NGO, NPO? NPO, sorry.
Once again, thank you very much for the opportunity. I am Nosipho Nkosi. I'm the Advice and Referrals Officer for Batupile Organization. And what else did you want to know?
Sorry?
What else did you want to know?
Oh, the motive of this whole organization, and how would you relate this organization to such tournaments that's happening right here?
Okay, so I think with regards to that, right, the entire motive behind the organization is to obviously assist the youth, which is why we deal specifically with individuals between the ages of 18 and 35. But we're not saying that we're trying to exclude individuals that are above the age. There are certain courses where they can be applicable for them, right? And so the main motive is to obviously improve poverty alleviation. We realize that Greenfield as a community, there are a lot of people that actually need these skills. A lot of our students are most likely to get jobs immediately after getting the courses. So which is why we also decided to come here as an organization, because this entire tournament happened here in Greenfield. So as the NPO that is located in Greenfield, there's no way that will stay without coming to not only advertise ourselves but also try and introduce the youth to the schools that we have.
So when you're looking at your NPO as a whole, do you say it's been any success stories when it coming to this NPO?
I honestly would say that mainly because I would also be for that, right? Because for number one, it has been here since 2005. It's now 2025, so we have existed for 10 years. I feel like if it wasn't really a success, we still wouldn't be here even after 10 years, right? And not only has it also created job employment for us, it has also created job employment for the youth as well, while also assisting them with education, because there are certain individuals that would feel like there are certain jobs that they can't get to because they only got like grade 10 or grade 11. So as an organization, we decided that it's best to also try and include them, not just accept people only with matric. So we accept anything from grade 10, 11 and grade 12.
So before we close off, can you please give us a few words of encouragement or motivation to the youth?
On the spot.
On the
spot. Dreams delayed are not dreams cancelled. I think that has to be my words of encouragement.
Okay, thank you so much, my brother. Any word of the day?
Word of the day is that youth are doing their bit. Are you? Come to Matupile and see if your life can change and obtain better opportunities.
Thank you so much, guys, for your time. We wish you nothing but the best. We admire the work that you do to the youth. Thank you so much for your time once again.
Mbukeli, what a day. Before ngicala ungamangala siphiya le coffee ne. So yeah, what a day, what a beautiful day, what a beautiful day, what a beautiful day. Bawinile abajita ifinally but uzonibrief uzonitshela kwenzakaleni. My brother, can you please introduce yourself? Utshela abantu ukuthi unubani wakwabani uphuma phela udlalela yiphi team?
Igama lami uVuyo kaKhondile, ngihlala la eMabulton. Next to Foslorus. Bangibiza ngomakole ebholeni.
Udlala yiphi team?
Ngidlalela iPolar Park FC.
Okay, Davuyo. Oh, what a game. So ngicela ungitshela, how does it feel ukuthi uwine today, uwin 100k? Because I've been watching the game and ngibonile igame tough. Ucoach ungitshela before ngene grounding.
Ucoach usitshelile ukuthi ayisekho enye final. Ifinal esimile siyidlale le. If asithole le chance ukuthi sizodlala next year. So sizamile ukuphusha sinamajita sasebenza sabambisana. That's why siwinile fanda.
Okay, ngicela usokhise through this tournament ukuthi from day 1 till today kuze nifike final mendlala kanjani, and when as an individually yini into mekupush ukuthi perform better till today ukuze ukwazi ukudlala ifinal uyiwine?
Yeah, as a team siqale kabi because siqale tournament si8. So bedlala sishorta, sayiqualize ke game yakhona phela ngo3-3, sawina ama penalty. From lapho ke saloko siphusha. Second game sayiwina 2, lenye sayiwina 2. Fana ekseni sikhavu 3-0 futhi. So manje sayithatha ifinal ngo2-0. So mina into engisizayo ukuthi ngisiphushe mfethu amajita ami ngidlala nawo sijwayelene. So ngiyazi mangiphethe bone yonke into ibalula.
So when as a player pressure ukudlala akulama tournament asekasi uhendlela kanjani because uyabona like kasi abantu baningi babukele and most abantu bazokriticize. When as an individual us prepare kanjani for ama game kanje?
I think ba umuntu kumele uzazi ukuthi ufunani. Uma uvuka ekseni uyazi ukuthi uyaphi la kusespanini mfethu. Ekugcineni yonke indawo kuyakhulunywa. Mina ngiyaziphusha every day yonke indawo kuyakhulunywa. So if uzosaba abantu kusho ukuthi ngengidlale mfethu. So pressure mele ngijwayele na kanjani.
So angihlebele ucoach le mali unika kanjani bathi ngishara imali?
Ayangazi ngemali soza khona Brian.
Wena kuma uholo uyispenda kanjani?
Nginencosi mfethu. Nginoma grease endlini so yibo abantu ebele ngibabheke eqala before mina.
Abantwana bebazothatha tayisa ngapha khambani so babhayizisa.
Mfethu ekugcineni nginomuntu oyi-1 mele ngispende naye. Mase ngiqethe zonke into engizenzayo mara.
Oh, focus emuntwini wakho.
Yeah, ngifocus emntwini wakho.
Ngosakhi out.
Ucheck.
No, I wish makakhona la zobukela itime because otherwise I've been watching you since ngiqala ukubukela udlala namhlanje na other day ngikubukela udlala. Ngiyayithanda performance yakho as a player. So we captain eteamini.
Yeah, yimi captain mfethu and ngiyabonga ngiyabonga for ukuthi uyayithanda indlela engidlala ngayo mfethu noma ngigugile nyazama ukuphusha nje.
So what is your secret ingredient like indlela like ngathini mawuye ground yini utsho ukuthi okay into esonyayenza like ungangitshela nje anyhow.
I think i-prize mfethu into yokuqala sibheke i-first prize into ezoyenza ukuthi ngiloko ngiphusha masibheke i-first prize soze sifike kuyo mfethu ibhola but anyway kungenzeka singafiki but fortunately enough sifikile la sifike khona ku final.
Ngikubona njengomuntu kudala dlala ibhola and ngikubona ezumuntu okuthanda so ngizotesta i-football knowledge yakho so let's say as a player uyadlala egroundini une yellow card after yellow card yakho you score a goal you know after scoring it's a red card right so let's say uyakora only to find out the goal lakho will check out VAR but you know it's not a goal offside so i-red card ya stand or by cancel.
Yeah, by cancel. Yes, stand by cancel.
By cancel.
Sure, by cancel.
Okay, as you know, the ground in once walwa we are told red card right. Kulwa nguthi ulwe kanjani. So let's say ulwa teammate yakho physical. I decision ka ref mili benjani. Anishaya ama red card both or mila yenze kanjani.
Yase teamini mfethu. Angile ne opponent. Mila siyeke. Ayingena.
Someone wela ngisho uthi red card. So mina ngiyazibuza team zobina kanje uthi ngizoba yi8 lewe ngiqale ngakhona last.
Le ayingena yami ne teammate yami siqeda siyi2 mfethu.
Ngiyabonga. So intwana encane edlala ibhola ungayi-advise uthini ukuze iphushe grand ediskini ikhulu ibe iplay ifike professional.
I think intwana encane mfethu kumele siqale sibheke ama situation asekhaya jo into ezokwenza ukuthi uphushe if uyazi ukuthi endlini isima sikho grand and lento uyayithanda phusha ufocus kuyo ezinye izinto zomhlaba uzozibona uzo enjoy life mfethu mase ulapha la ufuna kuba khona enjoy life yakho.
So talking about amakasi tournaments what do they bring to the community and what do they bring to intwana ezincane ekasi ezibukele ezifundayo kini kanye zama role model.
I think isibaniki hope because if intwana zoloko zibona abantu base TV kuphela singabona abantu eduzane kanje angeke zikwazi ukukhuthala so at least makunabantu eduzane abakwazi ubabheka every day bayakhuthala manje.
Mayithini sodlala imali mas ungibale kwishe yakho mfethu.
Ngizokubala prime.
Ara siyabonga isikhathi sakho my prime.
Bonga mina.
Boss celebrity final. Yeah!
I-intro ayidingeki guys nimbonile most on our previous video so but yena if ufuna ukuzi-introduce then angayi-introduce funa intro ngazi-introduce.
Sanibonani igama lami nguThuthi Madonusa King of Home.
Okay. So cela usitshele ngegame yakho yanamhlanje ukuthi beyinjani wena uyibona injani nje igame yakho yanamhlanje?
Hayi igame yanamhlanje beyisharp like amajita wabo ngathi ashawe fatigue like second half asibonile ukuthi ayabakhathela amajita abashayile mara siyabonga.
So yini into ocabanga ukuthi like aniyenzanga elontuzaneni ku field encostile for you guys to lose?
Cabanga ukuthi lama chances watholile asikwazi azange sawapunish if besiphanisela ama chances lawo yabezoba maybe siwinile. Inkinga ile.
So like ikhona like into obungayichinja ngegame yenu yanamhlanje yini leyo obungayichinja ngegame yenu yanamhlanje?
Ayish bengathi ngayishintsha like ama sub wethu ayish bayize ngama sub lapha bakhipha istriker bakhipha ne midfielder lebe izidlalisi ayi mawaqeda ukuyenza ama sub asavela safa lapha.
Okay, so abo ref bona mebanjani were they lenient meba fair mebanjani?
Bona bo ref ba fair bajaji kahle.
So imapha amazi ongawasho kuma fans wenu coach wakho namanye ama team members wakho?
Bengithi ngiyabonga coach wethu Philivela kithi ama fans wami abayazi ukuthi ngihlezi ngiwathanda bazongibona e-ground Sunday ngiyadlala nge-River Park hayi ngemsingi.
No, next time my brother you know must we take our losses and then we use them as a motivation yabo shoot like next time we want quality yabo but ngibonile yeah star player guys star player nani nishilo mos. Thank you so much, we wish you nothing but the best kuma games wakho your upcoming games and your future as a whole.
Ngiyabonga sister.
Sharp. You know, we always go with the winning. We always win, so we have the winning team. My brother, which team do you play for?
My name is Tsepo Lebuhang Totet, otherwise known as 12 Pack.
Okay.
I play for Ipola Park FC.
Okay. So tell us about Ilontuzan overall performance.
I think think overall the performance be grand. I can't even lie. Obviously we had very strong games, we had very strong opponents, but we held it out quite nice. And to some extent, we kind of a result, but I guess that's what's important. The only thing important is to win the game. See win a
Okay. So what would you say it's that one thing any end that made you guys good to win? And what are some of the talks anybody now, let's say changing room that motivates you guys to do your best?
Well, ultimately, I think the most important part was understanding Uguti. Obviously, there's going to be teams that are stronger than us. There's going to be teams that are going to dominate us. So if it means we have to change the style of play, say, to just focus on scoring and sit defend and grind our results, then so be it. And it's Cornelius Williams alone, then that's where it got us.
Okay. So if like there were some of the things you change who came in and what would be those things?
I mean, why would I change anything if it's a winning tournament?
Okay, what if Ben lose again?
Then I would have something to change.
So now you have nothing to change?
Obviously, the most important thing we go to win the tournament, and we won the way best test we win on a corner. So the rest don't matter.
Okay. So any words of encouragement to Abantwana Banyana? You see, they're looking up to you. So like, what are some of the words you'd give them?
I guess I don't know what I can say. Maybe teach him. For Intones that want to play football, teach him. Obviously, there's going to be players that are more talented than you. There's going to be players that are more faster than you, more skillful than you. But if you put in the work at Jimin, the goal is going to stand out a matching.
Okay. Words to your fans as an individual and your coaches.
My coaches, I can only thank them. Guti Bang Field, give me the opportunity to play, and my fans are obviously Sabonga for his support. We wouldn't be enjoying football if it wasn't for them.
Okay, thank you so much for your time, and once again, congratulations on your win. Sharp, sharp. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification so that every time we drop, we ask now are you already within. As for me, signing out. Thank you guys. Oh, please do not forget to follow me on my social media platforms. Instagram, Buhle_Tracy2, TikTok, Buhle18, and that's all. My brother, do you have anything to say?
I'm not going to follow. You can follow Speaking for Stan. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, always.
Okay, wait. Also, shout out to Location. Yes, thank you so much for dressing me up today. Love you guys. Stop.